Hello guys and welcome back to another exciting episode of Grammar with Sri. I am Srihari from Genesis Training. Let's see what we have in store for you today. Conjunctions. Let's see what conjunctions are all about. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases or clauses together. For example, I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterwards. Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. So, in the above example, and, but, yet, so all these are different forms of conjunctions that are joining sentences and making it long. Conjunctions allow you to form complex, elegant sentences and avoid the choppiness of middle short of multiple short sentences. Make sure that the phrases joined by conjunctions are parallel, share the same structure. That is the meaning of it. So if you look at the example, I like cooking and eating. So I like cooking, eating, or I like cooking but eating. Now it's not of the same structure, so but gives a different meaning there. So I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes. So when you use a but, it is on quite a negative and giving a reason to not doing it. Now let's look at another example to make it much clearer here. So I work quickly and careful. I work quickly and carefully. So in that example, when you saw I work quickly and careful, I work quickly and carefully. So adding an extension made it much better. So let's see what's up next. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions allow you to join words, phrases and clauses of equal grammatical range or rank in a sentence. The most common coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. You can remember them by using the mnemonic device Fancy Boys. That's for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So that's fanboys. So whenever you heard fanboys, they'll give you every single. It's an acronym to the coordinating conjunctions. So fanboys is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Now let's look at an example about coordinating conjunctions here. I like pizza or a salad for lunch. We needed a place to concentrate. So we packed up our things and went to the library. Jessie didn't have money, but she got by. So here, if you can notice, there are several conjunctions that are used to join. Usually that's coming after a comma. So for example, or, so, but, etc. Notice that using of the comma where a coordinating conjunction is joining two independent clauses there. So that's just what I just mentioned for you guys. So correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. Some examples are either or, neither nor, not only but also. So for example here, not only am I finished studying for English, but I am also finished writing my history essay. I am finished with both my English essay and my history essay. So that's one example of using your correlative conjunctions there. Not only, but also. Subordinating conjunctions. So what are these subordinating conjunctions? Subordinating conjunctions join independent and dependent clauses. Common subordinating conjunctions are because, since, as, although, though, while, and whereas. Sometimes an adverb such as until, after, or before can function as a conjunction. So let's look at a couple of examples here. I can stay out until the clock strikes 12. So until here is a subordinating conjunction. So it is supporting you till midnight. After that, you cannot stay out. The subordinating conjunction doesn't need to be in the middle of the sentence. It has to be the part of the dependent clause. But the dependent clause can come before the independent clause also. So let's look at an example for this as well. If the dependent clause comes first, comma, use a comma before the independent clause. So use a comma before the independent clause is a sentence which is independent by itself. But when you're using the sentence which is starting with if, so if the dependent clause comes first, so it is dependent on another sentence. So usually use a comma there. So that helps you in subordinating it. Now let's look at another example. I drank a glass of water because I'm thirsty. So I drank a glass of water. I was thirsty. Joining these two sentences, you use because. So because here is the subordinating conjunction. So because I was thirsty, I drank a glass of water. So it can be written in this way as well. And with this, guys, we come to the end of conjunctions. Like I mentioned, pretty simple, pretty short. And this is all what you'll need to keep in mind where we are going to be answering more sections with verbal topics. So until then, keep practicing, keep learning, take up this test. Don't forget, all the very best. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, thank you.